Hey guys, welcome back to Kuwait Survival Day 14. I just finished my breakfast and now I'm getting ready to go to church. Let's start the day with a peaceful morning. Guys, I just got the Route 21 bus. I'll be getting down at Malia. The weather is already getting hot. But let's continue the journey. I have reached Holy Family Co-Cathedral Church in Malia, Kuwait for the 8 a.m. English Mass. Every Friday, I make it a point to attend Mass whenever possible. Spending time in prayer gives me peace and strength for the week ahead. Outside, the heat is already intense. The Mass has just finished, and everyone is leaving the church. While coming outside, we heard what sounded like a loud explosion in the distance. I don't know what it was, but it reminded me to pray for peace. I sincerely hope the conflicts in the Middle East end soon. Let's all pray for peace and safety for everyone. Guys, take a look at these digital advertisement displays inside the bus. I think businesses can advertise here by paying for ad space. It looks pretty modern. Now I'm heading back to Khaitan. I got the Route 21 bus again and will get down near KFC. From there, I'll use the pedestrian bridge to safely cross the road. Finally, I've reached Khaitan safely. I came to McDonald's because I hadn't had my coffee today. It always feels nice to relax here for a while. One thing I really like about McDonald's in Kuwait is the self-order kiosk. You can place your order yourself and they'll even bring it to your table. The atmosphere here is clean and comfortable. Today I ordered a vanilla soft serve because it's my favorite flavor, along with a mocha coffee without sugar. The coffee has around 180 calories and the soft serve is about 127 calories. It's not a big deal because I can easily burn those calories during my walk and workout. Finally, my order arrived and it was really refreshing. Back home now. I sharpened my kitchen knife and cut some fresh cabbage for today's lunch. My protein source today will be chicken. Now I've come to the gym. This is one of the more expensive gyms in the area, but I prefer it because it's less crowded and I can work out comfortably without waiting for equipment. Workout completed. I'm back home and having my gold whey protein to help with recovery. That's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to support my Kuwait Survival series. I'll see you guys in Kuwait Survival Day 15. Take care and God bless.